Hey Megan, it's Savoy here. Uh, I got this page. I talked to you briefly. I got some quick updates. First of all, I want to say thank you for for you and Paige and Kennedy working overtime to get this done for me. I really appreciate it. You mentioned you have some time tomorrow, and I wanted to kind of just streamline the updates that have to be made, or just get your opinion of it. So first thing, um, I'm trying to get this done like midweek, and it's basically done. I just got a couple pieces, and maybe you can just clarify for me. So when I'm on FitTrack page, right, and I'll include these links. When I'm on FitTrack page versus mine, the first thing that I like is this donate button at the top, and then you got this donate button below, right? I really like those. That looks a lot different than this donate button here. But at the same time, I completely understand that you're just getting my page active, so I get it. In terms of this, people can pick whatever number. I like how some things are pre-selected here. So was it possible to get like a drop down here? Secondly, I like this contact information thing. Basically, you guys have a pop-up, so which is fine. Is it possible to get this? But if not, the pop-up is fine. So that's on the back, the lower part of my list. I love. So this is FitTrack coaching. It's challenging time for business. I kind of want this quote, like below here, right? So again, this quote, it's a challenging time for local business owners. Let's put that right below this picture, right? How does online training work? I kind of want that bigger and bolded. I want it to stand out like theirs does. You make a donation of your choice, $10 to $500. And again, when it says as little as 10 to 500, it looks a lot different when you have literally, $20 to 500. It works a lot better. I think that's really cool. You get access to live virtual sessions. I love this. And again, you took that from here. So this here, I guess you guys kind of streamlined that. So this is that at-home piece. It looks like you guys streamlined it. I mean, kids and significant other join you in the sessions. All sessions are recorded. Live sessions at 9 a.m. These times need to change. The times for this, Megan, is 9 a.m., noon, 4:30, and 6. 9 a.m., noon, 4:30, and 6 are the times there. And then basically same group. So this wording here is not necessarily the wording that I have. Like I got a little more points here, and that's his wording. I actually want to use my wording. So this stuff, number 2, let's go virtual. It just got to look the same. But that's a quick wording fix. You become part of an accountability group on Facebook. Savoy Fitness Online Accountability. So change that a little bit. Let's stay happy and healthy. It's not exactly my wording. You become part of the client experience, which I really like. So that's that. You become a part of a Facebook group. And then I have a number 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. My 5 is different. It's a true. You get 6 virtual, 50%. So it's just missing a number. And then why are we doing this? This is the part that I need. So in CJ's, why are we doing this? You got to have a picture right here. So this picture is going to insert like literally right underneath this word community picture, right? Why are we doing this? This is my version. This is CJ's version. Need training. Here are some reviews. And like CJ got these stacked all the way through. So I know you said it doesn't help with conversion, but like this dude literally, I talked to him the other day, because of this model, he literally, it's not on here, is it? He made $9,000 off of this already, Megan. So like all these reviews got a stack at the bottom, and I sent you like a link for that. So if you can make those adjustments or let me know what's doable. And again, I'm not rushing, and I really appreciate you guys making that work for me. Only other thing that I need is it's bigger than 60 minutes. I kind of want that somewhere. I'm going to go postcards, because that's where it's located. I want this bigger than, like, I also said that I kind of wanted this laid somewhere on the front of the website. It's bigger than 60 minutes, and I'll share that with you. Megan at 97 display. Okay, Megan. I shared this to you. Just let me know. And again, not trying to rush you or be rude. I really appreciate all the work you're doing. Thank you.